Hello guys, welcome back. This is MasaudSec and I am going to show you my new private tool. I just public it and it is all about Recon. So ultimate Recon script. Yeah. So let's quickly deep dive into it. It have 13 phases. In phase 1, it will perform subdomain enumeration, like it will use 10 plus tools. I do not want to go into the details because it will take a lot of time if I start talking about subdomain discovery, how it works, xyz because there is a hundred and thousands of line of code, so I cannot explain each and everything. The tutorial will be too much longer. And in phase 2, it will perform DNS deep dive, and in phase 3, it will perform port scanning like nabo, and for service detection it will go with the um, nmap stuff. And in phase 4, it will perform technology fingerprinting. Phase 5 is all about web application firewall detection. Phase number 6 is all about endpoint discovery, and phase 7 is all about javascript analysis. Step 8 is all about parameter discovery. Phase 9 will perform cloud recon. Phase 10 is about vulnerability scanning, and phase 11 is about secret hunting. Phase 12 is all about screenshots, and in phase 3 definitely it will perform uh, ferox buster to fuzz the directories of all the subdomains. For passive recon, it will use OSAN, DNS, spot, and text tag. And for it is for enumeration, like to find out endpoints, JSH, and everything. So let's quickly jump into it. I've already explained these things. If you want to go deep into it, I'll recommend you to read the README file. I will provide you the link. And yeah, I have explained, like for example, in phase 1, it literally performs subdomain enumeration to it will use 12 plus passive sources, including subdomain, subfinder, asset finder, find domain, search.sh, align, webback machines, URL scan, rapid DNS, hacker target, buffer overflow, command crawl, and so much more. Okay. In phase 2, it will perform DNS deep zone transfer attempts, each and everything. So many things I've added it. I'll highly recommend you to go through it entirely before using this tool. So you will grasp its content in a better way. And by the way, what is the requirements of? So you you should have a Kali Linux or any Debian based distro, and yes, Go language must be installed because most of the tools are written in Go. Python 3 should be installed, and you should have a root access, and there should be an active internet connection. So let's try to run this tool. So phase number 1, let me copy it, and let's hit the command here. So yeah, I think uh, let's do it in this way. Sorry. So let me copy the code from here and git clone. Hit enter. So it is going to clone the repo for us. And then don't worry, I'm going to update this uh, readme file if it is giving you some sort of issue. So the command will work perfectly. We have an ultimate recon. Let me check which one we should go for. So cd ultimate recon. Let's try this one. This one is empty, no problem. CD ultimate recon, the first one. Yeah, this one that we have it. Okay. So now the thing is that we need to give it an executable permission. So chmod plus x ultimate recon.sh. And now if I ls it, you can see we have the tool which is working perfectly. And its usage is really simple. Like you just need to type bash or dot forward slash name of the tool, and with hyphen d you just need to provide the target. Okay. And moreover, I've provided some of the example. One thing that I love about this particular tool is, for example, if you are electricity, if somehow your machine gets shut down or the process get interrupted, you do not need to start it from the start again. Like, what does it mean? It means that if something bad happen, when you will run this tool, it will start from the phase where it gets stopped last time. For example, if it gets stopped on phase 5, when you will rerun the same command, what will happen, it will start from the same face file. It is not going to start over. So in this way, a lot of time, yeah, we need time, a lot of time, so it will help us in this way. And there is a checkpoint. I've already explained. This is the output structure. This is how it will look like. For the subdomain, your subdomain will look like this. For DNS, the DNS record will look like this. And for port, your ports will look like this. Similarly, for technologies, for web application firewall, for endpoints, for JavaScript analysis, for parameters, for cloud resources, and for vulnerabilities, secret, and each and everything. So I think if you just go through this particular readme, it is more than enough. I do not need to explain things. Let's quickly run it, by the way. So bash ultimaterecon.sh, and let's try it on hacker1.com, let's say. So sorry, I need to provide hyphen d option, hyphen d, and hit enter. So it will tell you, ensure this tool is in your bug bounty program scope. Sorry, this domain is in your bug bounty program scope. Yes, it is. So what will happen, by the way, if the tools are not installed? Definitely it will automatically install those required tools for you. Okay, hit enter. Like at first it will look for the tools. If I do it in this way, as you can clearly see, it is looking for the tools to check if there is not if something is not installed, it will go for it. For example, the nuclei templates are not updated, so it is going to update it. It is checking for the tools and each and everything. So now you can see the phase one has been started up. The phase one has been started up, and it is using the sub finder, all sources, to find out the subdomains for us, and it will keep going. I literally do not want to go into the details, because the video will be getting so much longer. That is why I will highly recommend you to go for the readme file where I've explained each and everything. So there is no further explanation is required. If you have a tech background, if you already know about cybersecurity a bit, these things should be easy for you, not a hard coded thing. So the thing is, guys, we are running this tool on a real target, and it will definitely take a lot of time, and that is why we just, right now we cannot wait because the video will be getting longer. So all we can do is to wait up, to pause the video, or to stop this right now. You can try it by yourself, and this is amazing tool. And by the way, if any one of you is interested in learning ethical hacking, penetration testing, proper step by step, I'll highly recommend you to go for my MasaudSec.com. I have 10,000 plus students on Udemy, and yeah, I do teach cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetration testing. I basically, you can go through my website, which is MasaudSec.com, MasaudSec.com. You have my LinkedIn, you can see. And yeah, and moreover, you can just go for the training options. I do teach live. I do teach live, definitely one-on-one mentorship, 3 classes per week. Each one will be 1 hour long, and I'll be preparing you for different certification as it is mentioned here. So for demo videos, if you guys are interested in learning demo, sorry, if you are interested in, like checking the demo, let me quickly show you. You can literally go on my YouTube, and you can just check the demo video. I've uploaded a 11-hour plus course on Udemy, and here you can see it gets some really good response, and it do contain a lot of chapters. So approximately so much chapters. Like if I click on view all, you can see so many things. Okay, also I'll recommend you to visit my website, and literally I have uploaded so much content related with cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetration testing. You can just watch it, and I'm sure you will love it, by the way. And moreover, sorry, 1 second. Yeah, you can just go through the course modules by clicking here, and you will be able to find each and everything, like whatever I'm teaching, web application pen testing. It literally contains 34 plus modules. I think you just need to visit the forward slash outlines, and yeah, so many things that I need to teach you. I have free courses, and I have, you can just go through it, and I have paid courses as well. So just go through my cybersecurity course. And by the way, for my paid courses, you can see I have 4.8 rating, and I have 111 students. It is, by the way, paid course. And yeah, you can also enroll for it if you want. So let's see, are we getting anything? Yes, you can see for the subdomain enumeration, we get a bunch of subdomains. It run asset find, it run find sorry, subfinder, and then it run subfinder, give us 44 domains. Then it run asset finders up and find domain, and then it is keep using find domain. It is querying to sir.sh zero domain finds, looking for different APIs, align vault. So you can see rapid DNS give us 20 plus domains, and then it is merging all the subdomains in a single source. Total unique subdomains that we have it is 44. And yeah, and now it is running alterx permutation. About permutation. If not, just do a research, resolving subdomains, using fast public resolvers, thread 200 plus. It will brute force to find subdomain. So this is the main thing. I think it is enough. Yeah, you can use it, and you can leave a reply if you want to change anything. And this is the first part of this tool. In second part, once we get all these details, then what we can do with those details? I've created another tool, which is ultimate hack.sh. We can perform that ultimate hack.sh tool on this particular result that we will be getting after the ultimate recon. You can utilize these recon results for manual testing to find things, and you can run that hack ultimate recon.sh, and that will literally find, that will perform vulnerability assessment live, like it will run the different tools to find the vulnerabilities. So take care, have a good day, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.